Welcome back to the Credit Minute. My name's Evan Palmer with Bay Credit Restore. Let's say you want to improve your credit report and increase your credit score, but you don't feel like you have the time or the expertise, or you just plain don't want to deal with it yourself. How do you go about finding a good credit repair company to work with? Now, this is a question that's near and dear to my heart because I own a credit repair company, Bay Credit Restore, and I would love to work with you. And there's a lot of good people who have your best interest at heart. But like so many industries, we also have our share of bad actors who don't have your best interest at heart. And I'm going to show you a few ways to spot them. So the Credit Repair Organization Act, CROA, was signed in 1996 to protect consumers from credit repair companies who engage in unfair business practices. And this lays out the rules. So for me, to give you an example, in my state of California, I had to file a bond with the Secretary of State and also register with the Justice Department in order to comply with state and federal regulations. Now, some people and some companies just plain don't want to do that. And some even have no interest in complying with the laws whatsoever. Honestly, I don't want them messing up my industry. So I'm going to give you 5 ways to identify bad credit repair companies so you don't have to deal with them. So number 1, charging in advance. Credit repair companies are not allowed to charge for services before they are rendered. Number 2, asking you to lie. Now, this should probably be a no-brainer, but here's the type of way it could manifest. Let's say you have a negative item on your report and the credit repair company says, well, you know what we'll do? We'll just say that that's not yours when it is. Or they'll say, let's just say that you were a victim of identity theft when you weren't. That's lying. That's bad. Number 3, promising that they're going to get your job done in 30 days. That's just crazy unrealistic. That's a lie. Don't believe it. In fact, guaranteeing anything. We're not allowed to guarantee anything, which leads me to number 4. Guaranteeing that your score is going to go up. Can't do that. Number 5, guaranteeing 100% deletions of negative items. So again, guaranteeing anything you can't do. But if you see an ad that says 100% deletions, credit sweep, run the other way. Because in reality, we don't have to do any of those things to get the results that you need. And you don't have to put yourself in a position of being exposed to fraud to get the results. We can do it all the legit way. And we can get you the results that you need totally above board. So why not do it the right way? Look for companies that have your best interest at heart and want to do things the right way, like us at Bay Credit Restore. So if you want to find out more about finding the right credit repair company to work with, go to my website, www.baycreditrestore.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll find out even more about it when you sign up for our next newsletter. See you next week on the Credit Minute.